Welcome to English Rush. In this video, you'll learn some common English phrases for daily life conversations, as well as daily expressions and useful sentences, perfect for spoken English and everyday English fluency. Let's get started! I'm broke means you have none or very little money right now. Example 1. Want to go shopping this weekend? I'd love to, but I'm broke right now. Example 2. Why didn't you go to the concert? Tickets were too expensive. I'm broke. So next time you want to say you're out of cash, say, I'm broke. It slipped my mind. You forgot something. Example 1. Sorry, I missed your birthday. It totally slipped my mind. Example 2. Why didn't you call? Sorry, it slipped my mind. If you forget, just say, it slipped my mind. I'm all ears. You're listening carefully. Example 1. Can I tell you something? Sure, I'm all ears. Example 2. Want to hear what happened? Yes, I'm all ears. To show people you're paying attention, just say, I'm all ears. Just in case. Prepare for a possible situation. Example 1. Why did you bring a jacket? Just in case it gets cold. Example 2. Should I bring my charger? Yes, just in case your phone dies. For cautious moments, just say, just in case. Just wing it. It means do something without a plan. Go with the flow. Example 1. I forgot to prep for the speech. It's fine, just wing it. Example 2. Did you study for the interview? Not really, I'll just wing it. Just wing it and speak English more naturally every day. I'm in a rush. You're short on time and need to hurry. Example 1. Can we talk now? Sorry, I'm in a rush. Example 2. Why did she forget her keys? She was in a rush. When you're hurrying, just say, I'm in a rush. Hang in there. Don't give up. Keep going even if it's hard. Example 1. My exams are so stressful. Hang in there, you're almost done. Example 2. I'm feeling sick this week. Oh no, hang in there, you'll get better. So next time someone's having a hard day, just say, hang in there. Make up your mind. To decide something, stop being unsure. Example 1. You've been thinking for 10 minutes. Just make up your mind. Example 2. I made up my mind. I'm moving to Canada. Still thinking? Make up your mind and keep learning English with me. Used to. Something that was true before but not now. Example 1. I used to play video games every day. But now, I don't. Example 2. She used to live in London, but now she lives somewhere else. Tip: don't say I used to. Always say I used to. Long time no see. Greeting after a long time apart. Example 1. Hey, how are you? Long time no see. Example 2. Wow, is that you? Yeah, long time no see. When you meet old friends, say, long time no see. I messed up. You made a mistake. Example 1. Why are you so upset? I messed up during the presentation. I forgot everything I planned. Example 2. How was your exam? Not great. I messed up the last section. I ran out of time. To admit a mistake, all you need to say is, I messed up. Let it go. Stop holding on to anger or worry. Example 1. He already apologized. Then let it go. Example 2. Still upset about it? Yeah, but I need to let it go. If you need to move on, just say, let it go. Better late than never. Good to do something even if it's late. Example 1. You finally cleaned your room. Yeah, better late than never, right? Example 2. He finally replied. Yes, better late than never. Want to stay positive about delays? Just say, better late than never. Let's call it a day. Time to stop working. Example 1. We've done enough. Yes, let's call it a day. Example 2. It's getting late. Let's call it a day. Are you ready to stop? Just say, let's call it a day. It's up to you. It means you decide. The choice is yours. Example 1. Should we watch a comedy or action movie? I don't mind. It's up to you. Example 2. Do you want to order takeout or cook tonight? It's totally up to you. If you want to let someone decide, just say, it's up to you. Fingers crossed. You hope for something good. Example 1. Hope I pass the test. Fingers crossed. Example 2. She applied for the job? Yes, fingers crossed. For luck and hope, just say, fingers crossed. So far. So far means until now. Example 1. So far, everything is going well. Example 2. We've sold 100 tickets so far. Keep learning English. You're doing great so far. You got this. A way to encourage someone. Example 1. I'm nervous. You got this. Example 2. I've never spoken in front of a big group before. You'll do great. You got this. To support someone, all you need to say is, you got this. It depends. The answer changes based on the situation. Example 1. Are you going? It depends. If it rains, no. Example 2. Will you buy it? It depends on the price. So when it's not a clear answer, say, it depends. I'm used to it. It's normal for you now. Example 1. How do you stay so calm in this traffic every day? It was stressful at first, but now I'm used to it. Example 2. Isn't it hard waking up at 5 a.m. every morning? It was at first, but now I'm used to it. When something becomes normal, just say, I'm used to it. I'll think about it. You need time to decide. Example 1. Join us for the trip? I'll think about it. Example 2. Why don't you try applying for that new position? I'm not sure yet. I'll think about it. Need time? Just say, I'll think about it. You never know. Something unexpected might happen. Example 1. Do you think I could win? Maybe. You never know. Example 2. Will she call back? She might. You never know. In for a surprise? Just say, you never know. No big deal. It's not a problem or not worth worrying about. Example 1. I forgot your pen. No big deal. Example 2. He broke the vase? No big deal. Don't worry. To calm things down, just say no big deal and chill out. That's enough. Stop someone or something. Example 1. That's too loud. Okay, that's enough noise. Example 2. Want more cake? No thanks, that's enough for me. Want something to stop? Just say, that's enough. Let's figure it out. Solve something together. Example 1. Don't know what to do? Let's figure it out together. Example 2. Why isn't the Wi-Fi working again? I'm not sure. Let's figure it out together. To solve problems, just say, let's figure it out. I'm with you. You agree or support someone. Example 1. This is the better idea. I'm with you. Example 2. Let's try it? Sure, I'm with you. Want to support your friends? Say, I'm with you. No worries. It's okay, don't stress. Example 1. Thanks for waiting. No worries. Example 2. Sorry, I'm late. No worries at all. To sound easygoing, say no worries. It's okay. That makes sense. Something is clear or logical. Example 1. Why did she leave early? She had work. That makes sense. Example 2. Why didn't you reply? My phone died. That makes sense. When something clicks, just say, that makes sense. It's not worth it. Something isn't worth the effort or trouble. Example 1. Should I argue with them? No, it's not worth it. Example 2. That's expensive. Yes, it's not worth it. Want to avoid stress? Just say, it's not worth it.